Today is September 29th, 2025. We placed the base structure, the footing with the corner steel attached, welded, basically as one piece, and then we adjust using just string, line it properly according to the string, and looking good. This is straight. We're gonna adjust one more step further to using the electronic leveling device. So and then but now the lighting is too bright, so this is it. We're going to use that. When it's relatively dark, I'm going to use that to line up properly. Okay, that's it. Pretty good. Okay, we finished securing the base with concrete. As you can see, each post, each elbow, actually I have elbow post, because there's a horizontal part connecting to the inner vertical post. See, we secure every elbow post with concrete by using string to level. We level everything, and then we secure each position in place with concrete, and very good. We checked the vertical, make sure it's straight up and down, so very good. Okay, we give the concrete enough time to solidify, to cure, and then we place the bolt truss into the hole. See, into this hole. Actually, this is where the post for the bolt truss will go into. Okay, that's it.